Good evening, everybody. I am Jitendra. Today we are going to explain about the online examination and result system. We are from Computer Science and Engineering Department, 4th SEM, GM University. Our teammates are Abhishek Bedi, Karthikaran, and Ravi Kumar V. Under the guidance of the Sanjay Sir, Assistant Professor, CS Department. Now I am going to give the introduction of our topic. First, coming to the motivation. Nowadays everyone is using mobile phones and computers, and they became the part of our life. And um, the the increasing reliance on digital solutions in education highlights the need for an efficient and reliable education system. A traditional pen and paper exams come with several challenges, including lengthy grading processes. We know that the nowadays very much trees and are cutted for the manufacturing of the papers, and this can be reduced by digitalizing the online objective exam type. Next, coming to the furthermore, with the rise of the remote learning, there is a growing demand for secure online examination platforms. So everyone is, as we all know, that everyone is using mobile phones. Everyone can log in through their USNs and passwords, and give their objective type examinations. Next, coming to the objectives of the topic, providing an easy to use platform for student to take exam. Means we will going to develop a website so that the students can log in and give their objective type examinations. Next, automate the grading of objective examinations for instant results. As the students submit the objective type results, after giving their quiz, the result will be shown automatically without any delay, allowing administrators to create and schedule and manage exams efficiently. This allows the professors to conduct the objective type examinations and create and schedule on which time they want to conduct those exams. Secure authentication mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access, in which only the professors or the authorized admin can only create the exams. In this increases the secure and authentication. Next, coming to the importance of the project. The online examination result system plays a crucial role in transforming the traditional exam process into more efficient and automated system. Next coming, there are various points that I'm going to highlight now. Time efficiency automates exam grading for objective questions, reducing the time needed for evaluation and result generation. As I previously mentioned mm, that it will reduce the time for correcting and evaluating, and it will reduce also the human error. Fair and correct assessment eliminates human error in grading, ensuring unbiased, precise, precise evaluation. Next, it will give the exact marks, as we can generate various sets of objective type questions, and it will give the accurate marks. Next, data management securely stores exam results, and student records for future reference, and performs performance tracking. As the data will be stored in the database, and it cannot be um, manipulated. Next, coming to the accessibility and convenience, allows students to take exams from any location, making it ideal for remote learning and global education platforms, so that the students can log in wherever they are, and give their objective type examinations. Next, scalability can accommodate a large number of students and exams simultaneously, making it suitable for educational institutions and corporate training programs. And this increases the scalability, as the many number of students can log in and give their objective type examination. Next, coming to problem statement. This is our problem statement to design a system where students can take online exams to auto-grade objective type exam questions and provide instant results. Next will be explained by Karthik.
Okay. Now we are discussing about what are all languages are we have to use for creating website. For front end, we have to use HTML, CSS, and back end, we have to use the Django. And next for database, we have to use MySQL. Then next, system architecture. The system architecture is typically designed using a three-tier architecture. First one is presentation layer. We have to use in front end HTML, CSS. We are already discussed about. Functions are user login or registration. Next one is exam instructions, questions display. Next one is timer answer submission. Next one is result display and feedback. And second one is application layer, that is for backend. For backend, we have to use the technology Django. These functions are user authentication and authorization. Next one is exam scheduling and configuration. Next one is question randomization and delivery. Next, answer evaluation automatically, and it will store the result, computation, and analytics. Then security, role-based access, session management, proctoring integration. Next one is data layer. That is database. We have to know. We have to use database technology. That is for MySQL. These functions as stores user data, exam configurations, questions, and results. Next one is supports queries for result analytics. Last one is enforce normalization and indexing for performance. This is flowchart. What we use. First one is user. Then second one is presentation layer, that is front end. Next one is application layer, that is back end. Then next one is data layer, that is database MySQL. This is we are already know about that. This is schema, entity relational diagram. We have to discuss later. This is SQL queries. What we have to implementation in website. This is implementation. This is actually code. CSS. We have to use HTML and CSS for front end. This is all about code. Okay. Now we are see our website. Okay. Now I will show my website. Show our project website. Whatever we have to do it. This is our basic web. We created a website. In this, we have to see GM University Davangere. In this user interface, we have to see two options. First one is student login and second one is admin login. Now we have to check the student login. Click on it. Then it will ask enter USN. Now I will enter the one USN. And password is we have to give the default password 1234 for all users, all students. Okay. Now we will log in. I am already taken the exam. That's why this page is says you have already taken the exam. We have to see the view result, click on it. This page is shows my result, US and marks and status, whether student is passed or failed, and which marks he is get. Like that, we have to create the website. This is student interface. Next, admin login interface I have to show. This is actually admin login. In this, two options are there, username and password. I have to enter username as gmu at ac.in. Password is by default 1234. Now I will click on login. In this admin dashboard, it will show three options. First one is view student result. Next one is modify result, and third one is view all student result. This is only what access for only admin, not student. In admin dashboard, we have to send these three options. I will click on to the first option, view student result. Next, I will enter the USN. Then click on to the search. It will show student USN marks and student status, whether he is pass or fail. I enter the USN, that will show marks as 6 and status is pass. For 10 marks, we have to write the code. Below 4 marks is fail, and above 4 marks is pass. That's why it is shows pass. Student get 6 marks. Like that, we have to seen in view result by USN. Next one is modify result. This is helps for professors. When the professors modify the student result, then they can click and they can enter the student USN. I will show. Then fetch. It will show current marks is 6. We can add new marks. I will show you one example. I will add 5 marks and give update. This is shows result updated. Okay, third one is view all student results. We will click on it. And this is shows all students results in one user, one interface. What are all the students are attending the exams, that will fetch the student details and fetch in admin login. What are all the students? 5 students are actually attending the exam. For those 5 students, USN are USNs and marks and status is fetched today uh, admin login. This is we have to create the website actually. In admin dashboard, we have 3 options. For necessary basic options, we have to implement it. In student login, the basics necessary options we have. First one is take exam, and second one is view result. Like this, we have to create the website. Next, we have to show the database. This website actually behind the database runs in MySQL database. That will show Jitendra. Jitendra, you can show the database actually. whatever we have to enter the marks or modify the marks the admin is doing, that is all data is fetched to the MySQL. Now Jitendra is shows the MySQL website.
Will be stored to the database. The will be fetched. Conclusion will be ಈಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Now the value from the data website will be fetched to the database. As you can see, all the USNs mark and status of student. Now will be where
ಏನ ಕರ್ತಿ ಹಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಕರ್ತಿ ಹೊಸ್ತಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್: development of online examination is the system successfully addressed primary goal of automating the streamlining the examination process of education institution. The system provides effective in reducing manual workloads, minimize errors, result completion, and improving accessibility for both students and administrators. Project success: the system meet all functional and non-functional requirements at the outset. Key features such as exam creation, automated evaluation, real-time result generation, and secure access control were implemented successfully. Next page.